Hello guys, welcome once again to the third series of my tutorial videos on creating a web app using Azure Active Directory B2C for authentication. So I'm quite excited today as my country Nigeria will be celebrating 59 years of independence. So I'm actually wearing green today to join her celebrate, and I pray that she grows in wisdom and strength as the years go by. So in this video, I'm going to take you through creating custom policies for your web app. So what this simply means is I'm going to take you through how to add Microsoft, Facebook, Google authentication into your app to enable users sign in quickly through this platform. So sit tight and watch this video to get the gist of all this. Thank you. So let's begin right away. So right here now we are on our task to do B2C tenant resource. So we'll click on Azure AD B2C settings to get started. But before that, I would like to thank the Microsoft Student Partner team and TextMe for offering me the resource with which I'm using to record this series of tutorial videos. Alright, so I'll click on my Azure settings, that is for B2C. So I'll begin by taking you through how to add user flows. So user flows here are simply policies that have been already configured to make sign up, sign in, and password reset very easy for you. So we will configure the following settings. We will configure account types used for sign in, such as social accounts like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, GitHub. You can name most of them. Also, we are going to set attributes that we will collect from the customer during sign up, signing up, password reset. Thirdly, you are going to see how to enable Azure multi-factor authentication. Fourthly, you are going to also learn how to customize user interface. So you can customize the interface your user will see during sign up or sign in. Then also we will see how to set claims. So here claims is just what comes back to the application after a successful authentication. So firstly, to begin, we are going to set up our identity provider, yeah. So we'll click this setup. Now we are going to begin by setting up sign up and sign in policy for our Facebook account. So for Facebook, we'll click here. Now it's asking us for three things: identity provider name, client ID, and tell us to enter the client secret. So to do this or to be able to set up this, you need to have a Facebook account because we are going to actually create an application in our tenant that represents it. So firstly, you need to sign into your Facebook account. So if you don't have a Facebook account already, you have to get one for yourself. So since I already have one, I will need to sign into my Facebook for developers with your Facebook account credentials. Now, so this is it. So now, if you don't already, or if you're not already registered for Facebook for developers, you need to sign up for it. So to sign up, you follow the following steps. Firstly, you will click on Get Started. So then you click on Next. To ask you which of the following best describes you. So you say a developer. Now ask you for this. Then you click on Create First App. To ask you for your display name. So the name you want to associate with this app ID. So let's say task to do and contact email. Of course, I will use my student partner email. Okay, so I'll create the app ID. Alright, so security check, just to be sure that it's not a robot. So the ones with traffic lights very quickly. I will select, 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 select. All right. All right. So here we are. So we'll click on Facebook login. Then we'll click on web. So right now it's requesting for our app URL. So we'll go back to our configuration, copy this and place it here. All right. So we'll click on save. So we'll go to settings to view our IDs. So you go to basic. So right here we have our app ID and our app secret. So we'll copy the app ID, come back to this. Then the app secret will show. So asking for my password. Alright, so I'll copy the app secret. Alright, so what we are going to do next, so we can also provide a URL for privacy policy. So this is just the link with which we'll be updating maybe our privacy policies and our terms of service. So I'll save changes. All right. So one more thing, we need to update, need to provide a link for authentication. So we'll come back here and click on Quick Start to provide. All right. So put it back on our web. Okay, everything is set here. So go to settings. All right. They're asking for a valid OAuth redirect your URI. So we'll simply go to our configuration, copy this stuff, and place it here. All right. That is basically what we need for now. So we save changes. Okay, so we'll go back here and provide the name of our identity provider. Right Facebook. Okay. So yeah, we now save it. And we are good to go. So So a similar configuration would be done if you want to add, let me say, GitHub, Amazon, or any other account for authentication. To know more about adding third-party identity providers, I would love you to check out Microsoft Docs on external identity providers in Azure Active Directory B2C. So next, we are going to set up our user flow policies. So you just click here. All right, so click on new user flow. So you can set up sign up and sign in, profile editing, and password reset. So to set up sign up and sign in, you just click on sign up and sign in. So right here you can see that you can see Facebook and email sign up, right? Good. So we'll give it a name, of course. We would just call it sign up in. Then it will request for either Facebook or email sign up. So now I made mention of multi-factor authentication. So right here, this is where we can enable for multi-factor authentication. So if you just click on enable, so what this means is that it's going to verify the user during sign up, to verify the user's email during sign up. So this is for extra security to prevent intrusion or hacking. So now this is where we will set the other tools that will be collected and what will be returned back to the application after a successful authentication. So let's say we want the user to be able to input his email address, his given name, maybe his job title, his the postal code, and his state, right? This is what we want from the user. And also what we added to the attributes, which is what user best food. So now this return claim is what we want to come back to the application. So you can say, of course, we want to get back the email address, the username, and maybe yeah, his best food too. So that is all set. So it's actually very easy to create user flow policies. Okay, so click on create, and everything is getting ready. All right. So now we have sign up and sign in flow policy. So we can also set up profile editing. So let's just check password reset. So you follow the same step. You give it a name. All right. So request for the email, enable multi-factor, and yeah. So it will ask during it will return maybe you say the surname and the display name, given name. So basically that is what it entails. And all these are being set up for you. So I've taken you through how to add identity providers and how to set up user flows in your application. So next week I'm going to actually link all this to our task web app, and you are going to see how it's going to play in. So goodbye and see you next week. Thanks for staying with me.